Police find body of missing correctional officer. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The search for a missing correctional officer and part-time taxi operator, 38-year-old Shannon Briscoe, also known as David, may have come to a tragic end. The police say that a body believed to be that of his was found on Friday afternoon in the Sandy Gully in Seaview Gardens community of St. Andrew. Briscoe, who is from Seaview Garden, went missing on Thursday. He was last seen around 5 p.m. Thursday afternoon en route from Halfway Tree to Seaview Garden. Briscoe worked at the Horizon Adult Remand Center on Spanish Town Road in Kingston. The police have also stated that his car, a Toyota Probox motor car, was found in Trenchtown on Thursday, close to where he worked. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.